This virtual map of the USC campus in Los Angeles feels rather lifelike. It's pulsing with moving cars and moving people. It's part of a new computing concept called geo-immersion that blends the real and virtual worlds together.
The idea was to capture the real-world environment and then render it virtually so it feels like that you're in that area. So you're immersed in that geographical area.
Cyrus Shahabi is the director of USC's Integrated Media Systems Center. Support from the National Science Foundation has kept the center on the forefront of multimedia and internet technology. Shahabi says what makes geo-immersion unique is its capability to mesh existing information databases and integrate them with maps, like what's called the Clever Transportation Project.
These are basically on real-time data that we collect. What we are doing here, basically, we're showing how the trend of traffic changes over time when we go from the morning to the afternoon. So there's a time slider. One application is to find shortest paths. The blue is what we calculate, the green is what Google calculates, and they are different because we take traffic into consideration. So as we change the time of the day, our shortest path changes.
Another prototype application is iCampus. It gives users on campus real-time locations for tweeters logged onto Twitter, building floor plans, even energy usage inside those buildings, just for starters.
You have a bunch of applications for iCampus. One of the applications is the Tram data.
USC trams are outfitted with a GPS unit that transmits a signal every 2 seconds.
One of my undergrad students built an iPad application where from your house, for example, you can check what time the bus gets to the closest stop.
iCampus could be tailored to other campuses or small cities. Shahabi says another application being developed, called iWatch, could also benefit law enforcement as an enhanced surveillance tool.
This is basically what we are integrating into our iWatch application. Instead of having this view, which is usually for surveillance, you see this view integrated, fused on top of the 3D model.
Bringing the virtual world and the real one a little closer together through geo-immersion. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.